Faisal Vawda alleges people within PTI involved in Arshad Sharif's murder. Islamabad. Former PTI member and Federal Minister Faisal Vawda Monday alleged that some people within the PTI were involved in slain journalist Arshad Sharif's murder.
Planning of the murder was carried out in Pakistan by those who could benefit from it, Vawda said, while hinting at the planning behind Sharif's killing. Commenting on one of the brothers who hosted the journalist in Kenya, Vawda said, Waqar, Ahmad, studied with me in college. They have a property business in Karachi.
Arshad's murder premeditated. On October 26, the former PTI member claimed that as against the version of the Kenyan police, journalist Sharif was shot at from a close range, therefore, his murder was premeditated. In an explosive presser held in Islamabad last week, Vawda alleged that a person was conspiring against the slain journalist and he had informed PTI chairman Imran Khan about the conspirator.
Vawda stated that a common man could not send Arshad to Kenya from Dubai. Those are the people who wish to see instability and chaos in the country. This wasn't a plain death. It was a cold-blooded murder, he reiterated. Following the press conference by Vawda, in which he indicated violence and bloodshed Long March, the party revoked his membership, barring him from representing PTI on all fronts.
The former minister, however, insisted that he did not say anything to garner such a response from PTI.
Please subscribe my channel for more latest news.
And also like and share our videos to help us.
Thanks for watching.